Monica Bellucci is an Italian actress and model. She was born 30 September 1964 in Umbria, Italy as the only child of Brunella Briganti and Pasquale Bellucci and grew up in Lama of San Gestino. The girl was born despite the diagnosis, infertility with which the doctors diagnosed her mother. Bellucci married Italian photographer Claudio Carlos Basso in 1990. They divorced after 18 months. Bellucci met French actor Vincent Cassel on the set of their 1996 film The Apartment. They married in 1999 and have two daughters, Deva and Leonie. Bellucci and Cassel announced their divorce on 26 August 2013. In the 2003 science fiction films The Matrix Reloaded and The Matrix Revolutions, she played Persephone. In the 2015 James Bond film Spectre, she became the oldest Bond girl in the history of the franchise. At 50, she became the oldest Bond girl ever in the James Bond film franchise, playing Lucia Sarah in Spectre. 3 years later, she appeared in the Australian film Narcotronic. She was supposed to be seen portraying Indian politician Sonia Gandhi in the biopic Sonia, originally planned for release in 2007, but it has been shelved. Bellucci dubbed her own voice for the French and Italian releases of the film showed M Up. She also voiced Kelina in the video game Prince of Persia, Warrior Within, and the French voice of Cappy for the French version of the 2005 animated film Robots. In 1996, she was nominated for a César Award for Best Supporting Actress for her portrayal of Lisa in The Apartment and strengthened her position as an actress. She became known and popular with worldwide audiences following her roles in Melina and Brotherhood of the Wolf. Monica Bellucci began modeling at age 13 by posing for a local photo enthusiast. Bellucci left the Faculty of Law at the University of Perugia and moved to one of Europe's fashion centers, Milan, where she signed with Elite Model Management. Bellucci walked the runway for the Spring 2019 Milan Fashion Week for Dolce & Gabbana. In 2012, she became the new face of Dolce & Gabbana. She is managed by Elite Plus in New York City. Bellucci is signed to D Management Group in Milan and also to Storm Management in London. Bellucci also posed for GQ Italia in February 2016. In 2003, she was featured in Maxim. Men's Health also named her one of the 100 hottest women of all time, ranking her at number 21. Ask Men named her the number 1 most desirable woman in 2002.